So guys, we have to do things differently this time. The producer and me, the media practitioner and me. Let's go.
Alright, so Bella and I, we just have all our reasoning.
Here we go. Enjoy that? Don't worry, we have much more for you. Stuff from the cup.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Ben, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
So you guys asked and we delivered. Trick number 2, Priya, say hi.
Hi.
Yeah,
Hi.
Bella is sleeping. So yeah guys, this time we're doing it with the kids. We're taking them out. It's been a rough time for them. I think sometimes we don't understand how, I wouldn't use traumatized, but how affected they are as it relates to coronavirus and them not going anywhere. So we're taking them out. And of course, as Bass would say, we're gonna take you along for the journey.
So guys, we have to do things differently this time. The producer and me, the media practitioner and me. Let's go.
Alright, so Bella was sleeping, but look what. Say hi.
You.
Say hi. Look. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
Here we go. Enjoy that? Don't worry, we have much more for you. Stuff from the cup.
So guys, this is my brother. You saw Brian's brother. And that's my brother. That's my big brother Basil. Yes, the Basil to my Basilia. And that's his wife Janelle. This is my sister.
Hi.
Yeah, they've been married for 11 years. 11 years?
13. Correction.
Only reached at 13.
13.
That's a long word. I'm here till Brian said 11.
Yes, 13.
Oh.
2 more added.
Jesus. 13. So long? Oh my goodness. So, 13 years. Father God. Well, it's true because if we almost gone 7. Yeah. Yeah. Big ups to all the married people in the building.
Say hi, Mama. Say hi. Stop saying hi.
Hey, watch a joke. Watch by your room.
Sleep. Say hi. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Strawberry brie. We did strawberry.
Really? Okay.
Guys, let me tell you, vacationing with kids, it's a completely different thing than when you are alone. Look at this little one. She can't hang at all. She's already asleep. I think out for the night, but we are going to get some dinner right about now. Had a great day at the water park with them. They're just Lego, yeah, having a good time. And yes, we are having a fantastic time. The customer service is so amazing. So big up to the Royalton Blue Waters staff and all the persons that we've met. Big ups to you. Amazing experience so far, and we're looking forward to the rest of our staycation. So stay tuned, guys. Stuff from the Cubs. Hey!
Morning, guys.
Good morning.
First time we really get for video or to vlog or to record ourselves on cam. Since we're on this vacation, because the kids are asleep, we are awake, and trust me, so face fat, yeah, it's a whole nother experience. So the first day was good.
Fantastic.
Yeah, this one was a step up from the last.
Quite a few steps.
So when we checked in, it took a little bit of time, but again, because of COVID, we understand things are a bit scaled back, and also they have to be doing multiple things, and also they have to make sure that you are COVID free before you get in.
It was not the same kind of taking up of time in terms of how we just literally just waited at the other place. At least we were being communicated to or with here, and they were actually doing stuff. So the time that it took for us to check in was actually us getting stuff done before checking in, like the checks and filling out forms and signing COVID agreements, the whole works. Yeah, so at least, we saw where it took up the time. Probably not long. Definitely not 2 hours.
And then when we checked in, we were escorted to our room.
Yes.
or it just felt different. Yeah.
It was.
The person at the front desk was, well, not the front desk, the bellman was a fan. Let me say a supporter. He's a supporter. And, you know, it was nice meeting him.
My name is Sylvester. Welcome to Royalton Blue Waters. I'm here with the Cubs family, and they're having a good time, alright?
And then we met several other persons, like everybody we know they're here, so.
Yeah, like whole heap of people here that we know. We saw them at dinner, and that was a pleasant surprise. It's nice to see Jamaicans enjoying Jamaica.
Yeah, we saw them at the pool. So we also went, what did we do? We went to the water park yesterday. Yesterday was really about the girls at the water park. And they had a whale of a time, sliding through the whale as well. Yeah, and then we went to food. So the place is beautiful. You'll see some of the shops.
Gorgeous.
It's
gorgeous.
Relaxing. We have better weather this time around, so we don't have to worry about
Thank
that.
God, especially for the girls, because they would have been so disappointed if they couldn't do what they wanted to do. So the weather is good. The property is big and beautiful, and the staff, I mean, there's always somebody to ask for assistance, and we love that. We are big on customer service, and that is something that, you know, Royalton Blue Waters, I'm not saying sign up. Love it.
And then I went to bed about 3 o'clock and I woke up about 6 o'clock. We're trying to get some drone shots. And, you know, they were saying that because of some privacy issues, even out on the beach, they had some situation before. So
where people did not use their...
Yeah, people were not caring about other people.
Other people,
yeah.
Crazy.
So we're limiting the drone shots, but I hope you enjoy the shots that you have. And it's just a good thing to take time out to relax. We make sacrifices for everything else. We make sacrifices for our jobs. We make sacrifices for our church. We make sacrifices for almost everything. You know, when you make sacrifice for family and to just spend some time and for just relax, you know, self-care important, you know. Yeah, you might say, boy, this and that, but the rates are good. Yeah, they're discounted rates for Jamaicans because the hotel industry is not as booming as it used to be. That's one. And two, just to make sure, even if you have to tap into your savings or touch into something that you never want to.
Enjoy life. We work so hard. So many times we find ourselves working so much that we don't get to live.
And you work yourself to the ground.
No, we don't believe in that. So if we have to take a little extra to make sure that the kids get to breathe a little, because I mean, Bria, even Bella looks so pleased from she come here. They're so excited. They are so excited, and we are excited seeing their excitement and the whole work. So it's been a fantastic weekend so far.
And we believe in God, and when given it will come back, and you make a sacrifice here and there for your family, God will reward the sacrifice. So I'm looking forward to seeing Him reward the sacrifice.
Alright guys, yeah, we're gonna continue enjoying our weekend, so we'll see you again in a bit. In the name of Jesus.
Yeah, we're just going for dinner.
Want to take the time out to big up Iconic Travel and Events.
Hi guys.
They are our booking agency for our vacation, except the one last week. But big ups to Iconic, the whole team, Kasika. Always an iconic time when we book with Iconic Travel. We love you. Thanks for all the assistance. Thanks for the recommendations for the best hotels. We appreciate it. Big ups, Iconic Travel and Events. Find them right across social media. Their website, you can just Google them, Iconic Travel and Events JA. You won't be disappointed.
Here she comes.
Bella wants to sleep.
Watch him on top of the floor.
You know what to me, sir? You know what to me? They couldn't help me. Say hi.
The man a gardener, the man a lifeguard. God, let's go.
Morning, guys.
Bella, say good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning. Hey, hey,
Hey, hey,
hey, hey, hey, hey, hey. Boo, 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 bay. Boo, boo.
Morning, everyone.
Boo, 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 bay.
Good morning, Mr. Cuff. How are you, Mr. Cuff? Fat, right? Guys, I think Brian has gained probably 10 pounds or thereabout. Never mean to see my workout. Tell him me don't work like that, guys. Watching our faves and see. What happened, Bella? What happened? Come. Come. Hi, Mama.
Shoot, shoot the bee. Shoot.
Alright guys, let's take a break now.
Can I please go in the floaty?
Daddy on duty? Is Daddy on duty? Guys, dinner was great. Fantastic. What you got to say, Mr. Cow?
Vacationing with kids is a completely different thing.
Guys, didn't I say that in the earlier video I made in the room? Completely different, but we are enjoying it just the same.
Anybody want to keep them next time? You want to keep them? You want to keep all of them, 2 of them?
Alright, we'll get in touch, alright? We'll get in touch.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the curves. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile,